know that feeling when you wake up after 8 hours of sleep and still feel like you got hit by a truck? When your body feels heavy, your brain is wrapped in cotton, and you need 3 coffees just to function like a normal human being? I used to think this was just getting older, that maybe I was lazy, maybe I wasn't eating right or sleeping right. But then I discovered something that completely shattered everything I thought I knew about energy and why we feel so exhausted. It started when I noticed that some women my age, 38, seem to have cracked some secret code. They'd bounce into morning meetings looking fresh and energized while I was still trying to remember my own name. They'd power through 12-hour days and still have energy to work out. Meanwhile, I was counting down the hours until I could collapse on my couch. The difference wasn't genetics. It wasn't better sleep hygiene or magical vitamins. The difference was happening at a level most people never even think about, inside every single cell in their bodies. Here's what I learned that changed everything. Your cells are like tiny power plants. Each one generates the energy that fuels every breath you take, every thought you think, every movement you make. But as we age, these power plants start shutting down. Not all at once, slowly, quietly, until one day you realize you're running on maybe 30% of the energy you used to have. The fuel that powers these cellular engines is called NAD. Think of it as premium gasoline for your cells. When you're young, your NAD levels are abundant. Your cellular power plants are running at full capacity. You feel invincible. But here's the devastating truth. Starting in your 20s, NAD levels begin declining. By 40, you've lost about half. By 50, you're down to 30% of what you had at 20. It's like trying to power your entire life on a phone that's perpetually dying. This isn't some obscure theory. This is cutting-edge science from Harvard, Stanford, and MIT. NAD controls over 500 cellular processes, including energy production, DNA repair, and inflammation control. When it's abundant, you feel unstoppable. When it's depleted, everything falls apart. The tragedy is that most people accept this decline as inevitable. They think feeling exhausted is just part of getting older, but it's not. This energy crisis is completely addressable. The challenge is that you can't just take regular NAD